Right.
I don't know the other.
This is what we really work hard for, and I know these folks from the Jefferson Hospital are excited. And so, on behalf of the Metro Council, Doctor, we would like to authorize a proclamation. And the proclamation reads, to whom all these letters shall come, greetings, know you that the Louisville Metro Council hereby honors and recognizes November 7, 2011 as Jefferson Animal Hospital Ribbon Cutting Ceremony Celebration Day. 6902 Bardstown Road, Fern. Dr. Tricia Kennedy, Arrington, DPM, CBMP. And this is a testimony wherever it causes these letters to be made in the seal of the Louisville Metro government to be here unto the next. I wanted to congratulate you both on the proclamation. Congratulations.
Well, Jefferson Animal Hospital has been in Fern Creek for 25 years, and we are part of the fabric of this community. We've been at the 24-hour emergency hospital for 33 years, and we're definitely a part of the community of Louisville. So this hospital is a dream come true for us. It's taken a bit. We had a lot of rain in the springs. We had typical most construction delays on delivery of materials, but we have a beautiful state-of-the-art facility. I have fabulous staff and doctors, as most of you already know. We have a lot of our clients here today, and I am so happy to be able to come and celebrate with us. I wanted to say that this is Realm Construction, did this job. Rich, where's your hand? Best people I have ever worked with. This is fabulous. And Lisa Snyder, raise your hand, helped us with the interior decorating. Of course, the
very nice.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Area. All the functional stuff is mine, but the reception area is Rex. But we had Land Electric and Project Heating and Air, and E&E Mechanical for plumbing. A&L Structural Steel, Engel did the site work, Hartledge did the fencing, Eaton Shale did all the landscaping, and thank you. No, John's here. John, raise your hand. There you are. Did all the towers and stuff that look so nice. Luis did the painting, and Commonwealth Group. And Chris Stone, the architect, who Stone architect, who did a fabulous job. I gave him a list of what I wanted. He barely changed his original drawing. His flow was just so good. He did a phenomenal job. I think when going through there, you can see the center of the building is our work area, and it's an easy flow, minimal amount of traffic by the staff. It's going to be a very green, very efficient, very nice, clean facility. Oh, JAHFC was just here this morning doing a story on our green efforts, because as you've gone through, we've got all LED lighting, we've got a whole ton of things that we've done to try to be as green as possible. And it might be on JAHFC at 4 o'clock Wednesday, maybe. We're not sure. We'll probably find out today. We're not sure when it's going to be on. But watch for that, because we really want to set a good example for this community. And we want the whole fabric of Fern Creek to be involved in this hospital. This is a family-oriented practice. I'm certified in family practice. It's very important to me that clients bring their kids, bring the whole family. This is a community hospital for everybody. So, I really am supposed to cut this? Yeah. For sure? All right. This looks dangerous. All right. You ready? All right.
Yeah.